no shoes, and some. I had to get hit today.
How about you?
Shoot today.
New bitch, that's my check. I had 2 today. Got them checks yesterday.
Girl, you the blue today. Don't be fit up. Move chair. It's the 15.
I got my food stamps. Brand new kissing.
A brand new tag right here. $5 plus tax. This ain't go all that fun. Don't take on this take along. Niggas think it's
number. Go by. What's wrong with you? Oh, girl. Be quiet.
Oh, hell no.
Hi, girl. You were good.
Alright, bro. This is what it goes for me.
OMG, what did she have on? She ratchet. Because she ratchet.
You need to see the video.
Have you
Have
seen the video?
Yeah.
You need to watch the video.
The video is horrible.
The video is great. Okay, bro. You gotta watch the first one and then you gotta watch the official video.
Because she ratchet. But then
Can you play Roll with Kid and play?
Play what? Friends that call me Curie. The club is free before 11. Pre-game, then we party. Yes, I am the baddest, but you can't do the